Hey guys, Taylor here with Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2014 Ford F-550. It's got just over 195,000 miles on it. It is four-wheel drive and obviously powered by the 6.7 Power-Stroke diesel engine. Has a Knapheide KMT-1 11-foot service body on it. Stellar 7621 crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, workbench rear bumper, one set of drawers. We had the entire service body, just the exterior of it, sandblasted and repainted. As you can see, my reflection there, it shows like new. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck, like you were here looking at it in person. So if you need any more pictures, videos, or information after watching, feel free to call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. First half of the video, I'm just going to go around and point out any cosmetic imperfections, kind of do an overview of the truck itself. Second half of the video, we'll do a cold start, a drive, a crane and compressor demonstration on the truck. Power locks, power windows, cruise control. Upfitter switches there. There's your switch for the PTO. A little bit of cracking just in the bottom bolster here on the driver's side vinyl. Small rock chip there in the door, and another small chip right there. Obviously brand new steer tires on both sides. No dents or dings that I notice on the bumper. Rest of the hood and truck cab is pretty clean. Nothing I see worth pointing out. A couple little dings or scratches there on the door. Laptop mount there. As you can see, we had the fronts of the bins bed lined as well as the rear work bumper. Here's your torch cabinet here. Bottle racks and straps. Drop down here and do a shot of the undercarriage. All the bin floors are solid. Little bit of kind of like surfacey rust in the bottom of the cab. All the doors closed, latch, lock, and seal as they should. We have the keys for the service body. Shelving on this side. All the hinges are in good shape. Some little plastic bolt drawers there, nothing too fancy. There's your body controller here, wireless crane controller, outriggers, and then one hose reel there. There's a shot of the load chart. It's a 7621 Stellar, 2-stage hydraulic extension to 21 feet, and a 7,500 pound maximum lifting capacity. A little bit of damage on this light box here. It's just pushed in. Master slide lock on both sides. You can lock all the doors at once. Workbench rear bumper. There's your heavy duty tow hitch receiver. Factory tie downs in the bed. Put a padlock through there, it'll lock all the boxes at once. One shelf in this compartment. Half shelf in here. It's just a bug crawling around there. More shelving in this compartment. Then a full set of American Eagle twist lock drawers. Hydraulic air compressor. Again, it's a 2014 6.7 diesel, 4-wheel drive, 7621 crane. We'll get into the cold start, drive, and equipment demonstration on it. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text us anytime, 804-716-8487. $62.17 engine hours, $19.05 idle hours. 195,883 on the miles. Again, it is 4-wheel drive. AC blows nice and cold. Power locks, power windows, cruise control. Let's take it for a drive. Nice tight turning radius. Truck drives nice and straight. Plenty of power. Really get on it. Shift's great. That little rattling's just that laptop mount. Wireless remote. It's proportional. Run off a trigger. You can control the speed. It's wide open speed right there. "21 feet, maximum boom reach, 2-stage hydraulic extension." Hey, thank you again for watching. Again, this one was a 2014 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, 4-wheel drive, 195,000 miles. If you have any questions or need any more information, you can call or text 804-716-8487 anytime. This is all we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar or slightly different, let us know. We have a full lineup of available inventory, and I always have more coming through, so if you're looking for something that we don't have listed, just give us a shout. We probably have it on the way in, or we're working on it. We have financing available through our lending partners on approved credit. We can ship anywhere in the US, and we do take trades. So if you need any help or have any questions, give us a call or shoot us a text, 804-716-8487. Thanks again for watching.